guys, I just wanted to go through a quick recap of something I learned from this great course on educative.io. It's called Cracking the Coding Interview, and then just being able to recognize coding patterns. So a big one is like just sliding window. So where would that be most useful? Like let's say you have an array, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're iterating for array. You can actually go through it with a double for nested loop, and if you were to do that, you would actually have like n times k time, which is kind of similar to quadratic time. N standing for the overall array, and k standing for a subsection or subarray within that array. So, for example, from 1, you could just check every single element to the right. Oops. And like from 2, then everything to the right of it, then 3, everything to the right of it. That's one way to iterate through it, but actually you can do O(n) or linear time if you use a sliding window. So for example, let's say that you were to get a sum or subarray sum of 3, and you were to increase by 1, so you move that window to 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, right? So you actually have common elements. So from this 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 3, 4, you have the common elements 2 and 3. And there's no need to recalculate 2, 3, 4 if you already have an array of 1, 2, 3. You can just pop off that first element and then include the next one. And you basically just do that every single time. So once you get to 3, instead of popping out 3 and 4, and then just doing a new subarray, you just pop off this first number and then add the next number, and that makes everything calculated in one pass. So you go from this O(n) times k time to O(n). So it's just a nice little strategy, very useful in array and subarray problems. So just keep it in mind. Short video for today, and then for next week, I'm not next week, for this one Wednesday, I'm going to do like a cool system design problem. Just based on the news today, I saw a post that Postmates got bought by Uber. I think that'd be a good system design because their API is great. So this Wednesday, I'm going to be going through a system design interview practice on how to design the Postmates API. So see you guys next video, and thanks for joining this Monday. Cheers.